Your hydrogen right now. That's your art truck. Got the camera right there. We're doing this from the roof today. The line's raining, but it's a lot of pieces of grease there that needs to be flushed out. That's our camera. It's gonna send it pretty slow. That way, whatever the pieces is inside is gonna be flushed out. My co-worker, he's running the sink. That's gonna help the flow of the system. Flushing out. We're sending at least 65 feet in. We call these brown holes. This is our smaller holes for kitchens, just for kitchen lines.